इदानीम् अत्र दुबै UAE यूनैटेड् अरब् एमिरेट्स् इति राज्ये दुबै इति स्थाने अस्मि अहम्। अत्र डेसर्ट् अस्ति, पश्यतु एतादृशम् अत्र अवस्था। अत्र जनाः बैक् रेसिङ्ग् कुर्वन्तः सन्ति। एतस्य कृते अहं मम सहकार्यकर्तृभिः सह आगतवान्। अत्र बैक् रेसिङ्ग् अपि अस्ति, तदनन्तरं 4-व्हीलर् अपि अस्ति। अहं न कृतवान्, मम कार्यालय सहकार्यकर्तारः सन्ति, ते सर्वं कृतवन्तः। अर्धहोरायाः यात्रा इति ते उक्तवन्तः। अत्र डेसर्ट् मध्ये डेसर्ट् इति आङ्ग्लपदस्य संस्कृतपदम् अहं न जानामि। मरुभूमि इति मलयाळभाषायां डेसर्ट् इति पदस्य अनुवादः अस्ति। अहमत्र दुबै राज्ये दुबै नगर्याम् अस्मि। तत्र दिनत्रयस्य कार्यालयस्य कार्यार्थमेव अहम् आगतवान् मम सहकार्यकर्तृभिः सह।
और बाल
नकली है,
कोई कर सकता है नकली है, बताओ। काफी बढ़िया, मतलब इन्होंने ग्राफ्टिंग इनकी। अच्छा, पकड़ के लोगों ने ट्राई भी किया। यू कैन आल्सो ट्राई।
इधर सर्वं हम रिकॉर्डिंग कुर्वन् अस्मि।
एकदम तक देगा वो तो।
नहीं, लेकिन एक बात है, ये मतलब क्या है, घर कौन सा आटा खाते हो?
मैं तो बोलता हूँ कलकत्ता में जाके बंगालियों के बीच में डंका बजाना, दोनों लोग देवरिया से, इज फ्रॉम यूपी, ओरिजिनल फ्रॉम यूपी। बताओ, मैंने बोला इनको आके कि हम लोग बड़े आसानी से बोल देते हैं, बट कितनी मेहनत की आपकी जो बैकड्रॉप एंड एवरीथिंग। अरे वो तो मैं तो उसको आई जस्ट वेंट, उनको मिला मैं, और मैंने उनकी स्टोरी पूरी पढ़ी है। बहुत सारा वो बनाया गया कि ये तो नकली था, टिकट, मतलब सो मेनी स्टोरी, बट शी इज वेरी वेल। मैंने बहुत लोगों को सुना, उसके एक एक जो शब्द थे ना, जैसे कि शी इज ट्रेंड, उसकी स्टाइल बोलने का फैंटास्टिक, जो इट वाज रियली इंस्पिरेशनल। और मैं बताऊं, जो तो किया ही होगा, जो हिंदी में उसने स्पीच दिया ना, दिमाग में घुसती है सर। मैं बताऊं, चाहे हिंदुस्तान में किसी को नहीं बात करेगी, वो जो आके अंग्रेजी में दिस दैट बोल जाते हैं, आधा पहुंचते हैं, आधे को समझ में नहीं आता है, और ऊपर चलिए बोला क्या करे, वो तो अंग्रेजी में बोला।
अरुणिमा सिन्हा इति एका मोटिवेशनल् स्पीकर् इत्युक्ते मौण्टेनरिङ्ग् कृत्वा एवरेस्ट् समिट् कृतवती, सा अत्र आगतवती। अतः तस्याः विषयस्य उपरि चर्चा इदानीं मम मित्राणि कुर्वन्तः सन्ति।
नहीं बहुत ज़रूरी है। You are from Pakistan?
Yeah.
Which place in Pakistan?
I'm from Punjab, Bahawalpur.
Punjab.
Yeah.
Which means you are our brother, separated by politicians.
Yeah, that's true.
So tell us about this drive. Where are you taking us to?
Okay, so let me explain you what exactly gonna happen.
Okay.
So from now it will take about 1 hour to get there.
Okay.
We have 2 stops. The first stop we're gonna stop for the quad bikes and the dune buggies. Okay. So basically that thing is not included in your package. You guys have to rent the bikes or the buggy. Okay.
Okay.
And you can go for a ride. The ride is gonna be for like 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Okay. So you guys can choose the ride from there. Like. So we're gonna spend like about 1 hour there, like 45 minutes, 1 hour there.
So what if we choose not to ride?
We're gonna spend like 30 minutes then.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
I didn't do that.
You didn't do that. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's where our friend Anna went and broke his shoulder bone, right? Yeah. So I'm definitely not going to do that.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna spend like 30 minutes there. After that, we'll go for the dune bashing on the same car.
Okay.
We do safari and then I'll take you to the camp. So basically, the camp is our second stop. Like second and final stop. Okay? So there we have a camel riding for you
I
guys.
can record you.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
So there we have a camel riding for you guys. We got shisha if you guys would like to smoke shisha, your tea, coffee, soft drinks, your dinner shows. Everything is gonna be there. Okay.
Cool. Okay.
And all those things are included in the package.
Okay.
So once we get there, like we got so many things to do there. So once we get there, I'll explain you everything over there as well, and I'll tell you where exactly the things are. Okay. So the camp will finish by 8:30. So we will be back around like 9:30 to 10 o'clock.
Okay.
All right.
So including dinner is over there.
Yeah, the dinner shows, everything's
Cool.
gonna be
Okay.
there.
Okay. So this part is called the Festival City of Dubai, or we have crossed the Festival City already.
No, right now we are in the festival city.
Okay. So Sunset Point.
Yeah, we're gonna.
We'll go there.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
cool.
We'll do the dune bashing like
Okay.
said. You guys don't want to do the quad bikes, no problem. We're gonna spend like 20-30 minutes there.
Okay.
We'll wait for the group basically.
Okay.
If somebody wants to do that thing, they will go for the ride, and then we'll go and do the dune bashing. We'll do the safari on the same car, and we'll stop for the sunset pictures.